This channel has gained over 4.9 million subscribers just by uploading slapstick cartoon videos like these, and their most popular shorts have reached 10 million and 9.6 million views. Now check out this video I created with AI in just 5 minutes.
That cactus is floating, and the scorpion wants to make a new friend.
Wait! Somebody stole the floating cactus! Now everyone's stuck in the world's weirdest balloon traffic jam! This balloon just turned into the fastest ride in the desert!
The balloon was fake, but the friendship was real.
Pretty crazy, right? Alright, let's create videos like these completely for free using AI. First, open the master prompt PDF from the description below. Copy the entire prompt. Then open ChatGPT, paste it in, and hit run. Within a few seconds, ChatGPT will generate 10 viral video ideas for you. Now just pick whichever idea you like the most. For this example, I'm going to choose number 4. Hit run again, and ChatGPT will generate both the image prompts and video prompts for that idea. Now head over to the Flow website, choose your preferred aspect ratio, and set the model to Nano Banana 2. Paste the image prompt and hit run. After a short wait, your image will be ready. And here it is. Now go back to ChatGPT and copy the video prompt for scene 1. Return to Flow, switch over to the video section, and select OmniFlash. Set the duration to 10 seconds. Now upload the image, paste the video prompt, and hit run. After a short wait, your first video clip will be ready. Now head back to ChatGPT and copy the next image prompt. Return to Flow, paste it in, and hit run. Once your second image is generated, go back to ChatGPT and copy the video prompt for scene 2. Return to Flow, upload the new image, paste the prompt, and hit run. Now just repeat the exact same process
for all the remaining scenes. Once every scene is ready, import all the clips into any editing software, add a few effects wherever you want, arrange everything in order, and export the final video. And that's it, your video is ready.
Before you leave, make sure to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss the next trending AI niche video. Alright, I'll see you in the next viral video.